Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to do proportion to sample using StatCrunch. So suppose we have two colleges and we want to find out if the proportion of females in college 1 is less than the proportion of female students in college 2. So college 1 has 5,000 students and 2,000 of them are females, and college 2 has 9,500 students and 4,400 are females. So let's check if there is a significant difference in the proportion of females between college 1 and 2. So you go to stat and you go to proportion stat and you choose to sample with summary. So sample 1 is college 1, so the number of success is 2,000 female. Number of observation is the total number of students, 5,000. Sample 2 number of success is 4,400 female, and the number of observation is the total number of students in college 2, so it's 9,500, and the claim that's the proportion, the two proportions of female are not the same. So hypothesis by default in StatCrunch is P1 minus P2 equals 0. That's the same thing as P1 equals P2. And P1 minus P2 is the alternative hypothesis. So you can choose not equal to 0 or less than 0 or greater than 0. Depend on the question. So I'm just gonna check if there is a significant difference between college 1 and college 2 using a significant level alpha equal 0.05. So let's compute. So here my z-stat is negative 7.28 and p-value is 0. So my p-value is smaller than alpha. So I'm gonna reject the null and conclude there is some difference in the proportion, there is some significant difference in the proportion of females between college 1 and college 2. And we can go even farther and see which one is has a big proportion of females. So we can go to options and edit, and let's find out the confidence interval of P1 minus P2. So compute. So you can see the lower limit of the 95% confidence interval, it's negative 0.08, and the upper limit is negative 0.04. So both of these limits is negative. So that means 0 it's not there. So that means there is some significant difference between P1 and P2. And now the lower limit and upper limit both are negative. So that means the difference P1 minus P2 it's negative as well. So that means P1 minus P2 is less than 0. That means P1 is less than P2. And that means the proportion of female in college 1 is less than the proportion of females in college 2. So this is how you do a proportion to sample using StatCrunch. Thank you and see you next video.